Hi guys, today we learn how we can change the interface of our cPanel. Simply log into your cPanel and you can find the change style option in preferences section. Here you can see the preferences section and here is change style, or you can just find style from the search bar. Click on change style. cPanel is giving us 4 different styles of interfaces. First one is basic, which I am currently using. The second one, interface name dark interface. You can see the dark interface in this image. The third interface of cPanel is light interface. Light color has been used in this interface. The fourth one, retro. This is the old or previous default interface of cPanel. Mostly people are using this interface of the cPanel. Hope you enjoy this video and you have learned how you can change the style of your cPanel. Thank you.